Nclex question of the day. Let's do one together. Remember, all of the questions that I have come from my free test bank, so if you want access, just click the link in my bio. Which task should be assigned to the nursing assistant? This is a delegation question. This falls under management of care, also safe and effective care management. So what are we going to give to the CNA or the nursing assistant? Placing the patient in seclusion, emptying the Foley catheter of a pre-eclamptic patient, not just anyone, pre-eclamptic patient, feeding a client with dementia, ambulating the client with a fractured hip. Which one can we delegate and which one do we absolutely need to touch and set eyes on? Put your guesses in the comments. The correct answer is C, feeding the client with dementia. Let's go over why the other ones are not correct. Only a physician can place an order and put a patient in isolation or seclusion. And then the nurse should empty the Foley catheter for a pre-eclamptic patient. That's an unstable patient. We really need to be doing strict eyes and O's on that patient. And then either us, a nurse, or essentially in an ideal world, a physical therapist should be ambulating a patient with a fractured hip. I hope this helps.